See how to fix a squeaking Frigidaire dryer. Before working on an appliance, always disconnect it from the wall. Start by removing the middle panel. After removing the screws, you will need to pull it slightly upwards and out. Then remove the inner panel in order to access the interior. It is a total of 6 screws. Remove the 4 screws that are holding the control panel. Then remove the control panel by pulling it slightly downwards and out, and disconnect the door switch wire harness. Unscrew the 2 screws at the corners of the front door panel. Now remove the 6 front screws at the top of the dryer. Remove the front door panel by slightly lifting up and towards you. Remove the access panel at the back of the dryer in order to release the belt. Removing the belt is very easy. Simply force the pulley handle away from the motor and release the belt. Now you can easily remove the belt. Before removing the drum, you will need to remove the drum holder located at the top of the dryer. Push the top panel up to give room for the drum to come out freely. Support the drum with both hands and push it upwards from the bottom till it comes off the bearing. Before replacing the old bearing, place a tape on the back part of the bearing to avoiding falling parts. Unscrew the screws that holding the old bearing. Remove the old bearing carefully and try not to loose the small metal ball. Apply some lubricant on the new bearing and place the new metal ball on the lubricant. It will hold the ball in place during installation. Align both bearing parts together and screw both screws through into the part taped at the back of the dryer. Apply a generous amount of lubricant into the bearing ball fitting. Place the drum in a way that its shaft can fit inside the back bearing, and get a full spin to make sure it is spinning freely. Wrap the belt around the drum with the grooves facing the drum, and push it almost all the way to the back. Place the drum holder back in place. Place the door panel in a way it is on top of the top panel, then align the 2 clips to fit their sockets, and apply pressure to lock it in place. Secure the door panel with the 2 screws at the bottom corners. Now you can place back the screws at the top panel. There are a total of 6 screws. Before placing back the control panel, connect the door switch wire harness. Place back the control panel by inserting the holding teeth into their sockets and push inside. Place back the control panel screws. There are a total of 4 screws. Now you can place back the metal panel. Align the white cover with its sockets and slide it downwards. To place the belt back to the motor, simply pull the pulley handle away from the motor, then fit the belt on the motor shaft. That's it. You're done. You can find all the parts that you need in the video description.